Because how can you not like reggae music? Just listen to the vibes. Listen to the bass line and just let it ride. Come on. That's what you gotta ask yourself. You don't like this beat. Oh, the vibes.
Peter want to offer we Cause you and a crew nothing about for them. Say them a atty them a hot people. And none of them not ready for the bashment crew. Me say all some of them AM one glue. No man not feature for them avenue too. Them a lost offer we AM. Y'all a carry malice show me AM. Peter want Frisco and say.
You know what I have to tell them say? Big up my girl on the side, cause of them flex the best. You know me love this up, boy, them girl you possess. Oh my God.
That you make the wife for them. Sorry them, your wife for them.
Oh my God.
Exclusive on One Extra. Lady Soul Frisco Kid.
One more, yeah. Say Miss Cutie, girl with a leap of beauty. Customer charge you duty. My point of view. Say Miss Nicey. If you know whitey tighty, no say it's strong and mighty. This one's for you. All of the
I can't think me nice. Boy like me rotten. Just show me smooth like a silk and satin. Some girl think me nice. Boy like me bitter. Anyway me say woman me skin catch a fire kawa.
A woman with them, so we born lucky. All them run play, lucky. We not play them game, cause we no sucky. We use them and tell them low. Frisco a 10 grand link. Move from here. Where you play for me?
Say you call me for. I be a trouble to give that.
I done a remix to this song because they made me do it and because I love the song so much. But now they ain't even released it. But I thought to myself, where would the best place to fucking try this at? And I thought, Glastonbury.
Wait a minute.
So we're gonna give it a try right now.
Someone is hanging on to the Burna Boy remix? What? It's Burna Boy.
Tribulation, I shall overcome. I'm so blessed, guide and protect. Holy Emmanuel.
Yes.
It's like the mighty came with the shadow.
This is hard.
So they can never ever take my soul. I will be there for us. Now and forever.
You know, that place has taught me one particular thing, that when someone does something to you that is designed to hurt you, and you know in your heart they are wrong, you don't fight with them because no one on earth will ever believe you. It's only God can prove your innocency. But you have a choice. You can stay on that trajectory and stay this bitter motherfucker, or you can forgive them and live your life. The greatest weapon we have against all our adversaries are forgiveness. They don't understand it. They can't see why.
Forgiveness, you say?
Yes. They don't know why you're not hungry. They don't know why you're not bitter. They don't know why you're not traveling with that axe to grind. And that drives them mad. So the ability to forgive enable us to continue our life on the path that the Father wants us to continue on. The ability to project ourselves outside of the bad circumstances into good light is what we have. We are in control of that. You are in control of that. Now, if you allow them to make you into a monster, they will have achieved their desire.
Right.
They would have won.
Most people in your position would have got broke down.
Oh, I'm telling you, brother, that's the intent.
Right.
That's the aim of the enemy. Okay? And the only way you circumvent that, you have to forgive him. But you said, Father, forgive him not, because he know what he did. Not a bullshit, but you forgive them because they don't know what they did. They know what they did. So you deal with them. I go do my work. Simple.
Give me the study round here. What the girl them there when what's a man of mind them? A man of the least with problem. Put up with my hand them in the ear, pretty girl. What are they? Wanna see if the boom boom and it nice and pretty. Wanna ready? Send it. Me say it's like no wonder what some girl are study round here. See them argue over man with them a shiver. See them a worry about them. I know she said they need to do them. The kind of life me see them living round here. Sometimes it's sorry for the stress when them a beer. But hot girl from your conscience clear. See that one you love make me hear, huh? And at the least so we left. We took you moving. And walk again. Me say, your man he told me that he's tired. Pick up yourself, John,